Bang. Ooh, that's a slab. Come on. Come on. Come to daddy. Yes. Yes. Freaking monster. Right along the shore. Let's go. Hey. You're probably 3 pounds. It's the best this year. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. This guy has got to be pushing 3. I'd say he's over 3. This is a beautiful fish. Yes. Freaking monster, baby. Right along the shoreline. Caught it on vibrating jig with craw. Ow, shoot. Hurt. Let's go. Get you back in the water. Thank you, God. Thank you, fish. See you, buddy. Freaking monster, baby. Woo! That's a nice fish.